So this is Pepsi. I'm buying it, but not for the reason you're thinking. Let me show you what I want to use it for. So I don't know if you could tell, but the sprocket sitting here is kind of going this way. And no, it's not the bearings, so the bearings are fine. And also I changed these dampers. Let's see what's up with it. So I'm gonna take off the wheel and we see what's up. Laying a tire down so that I don't bend the brake disc. Put it on its side. Alright, so removing the sprocket. These are the dampers done by the local craftsman. Anyway, our issue is here. This is where our issue is. The dust seal. Oh. Okay, dust seal out. We need to remove this using this clip holder. Hold one end, hold the other end. Alright, so here is the bearing, which by shaking it up and down, it doesn't seem to have much play. But I noticed that when I wobble it up and down, it seems to be moving within the housing. So it looks like the housing has kind of enlarged just a little bit. Oops, the bearing is out. Here is the bearing. No weird play, no anything. So this hole kind of enlarged. This is where the bearing sits. So what we're gonna do is we're going to fix it, but using something I'd shown you earlier, using this. Yes, this Pepsi can. What we'll do is cut it and then use it as a shim around this space, then put the bearing back on so that it eliminates the splay. At least in theory, that's how I think it's gonna work. So let's see. How tall I need it to be. So we'll use this strip. Alright, so what we'll do is I'll put grease inside here so that when I lay a piece of this, even like this one, then the grease holds it in place. Put this in, and then now it is time to drive in that bearing. The only challenge is that I'm seeing it has blocked the place where the locking pin sits, but that's not a problem. Goes the pin. Alright, so it has sat well, and then I'll put back the dust seal. It actually sat pretty well with the help of the grease. So I'll put it back and then we see whether it works or not. Okay, so time to know whether what I was doing was worth it. Like a neutral, start it, put it in gear, and observe. It's a lot better. It is significantly better. So I can see there's still a very slight wobble, but it's not as pronounced as it was before. So clearly that worked. And maybe if I need to make it a lot more perfect now, the thing I need to do is maybe just shim it a lot more. Maybe put maybe a third layer of this, and then it should probably be okay. Yep, so that's how you do it.